morning, my dear friends. So Nifty, we have open high formation. Let me just go and quickly check Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is opening above yesterday's value area high, and there is no open high or open low formation, right? Let me check what's happening in Reliance. Okay, it's opening around yesterday's close, only a flat open. So let me keep on watching Nifty futures as there is open high formation. Okay, let's see whether it's hold or not. And it's opening well beyond 2 days range. And look at these 2 days, right? So both are looking same, but the structure is different here, right? Both high low, everything is same, but only thing is structure is different. And look at the close, almost nearby, right? Yeah, let's see what happens today. Let me go and see what's happening in order flow of Bank Nifty. So let me quickly choose bid ask ladder. Fine, no, it's okay. So just an open auction. So 794 is the high. Okay, fine. I think Bank Nifty is going to hit the levels of 22,740. Let me quickly open daily chart here. Fine. Okay, so I am initiating a buy trade here in Bank Nifty. Just at current market price at 918 only. Okay, so buy Bank Nifty futures at the price of 22,725, 730. Let me buy this at 720 and give me a minute, my dear friends. Let me open 5 minutes chart here. Let me have a look at low. Okay, so I will keep stop around 670. 670 will be my stop and target. So I'm looking at 22,830. Let's wait what happens. So my dear friends, I can see here Nifty is just going above that open high formation, right? Yes. And look at the order flow chart here, my dear friends, of Bank Nifty. Let me quickly go and show you. Yesterday's high was around 655, 22,000, right? Now let just look at the order flow chart here. Once that is taken out and look at the quantities, 46,000, 23,000, 30,000. Whereas look at the selling volume here. These are just aggressive sell orders and aggressive buy orders, okay? Not limit selling or limit buying, okay? Look at here and look at the highs also, 38,000, 22,000, right? Yes, so that confirms still buying is happening for the day. And my trade is buy Bank Nifty futures at 22,720, which is already triggered, and the stop loss is about 50 odd points from the entry, and target is around 110 points, right? Yes. Let me quickly go and check what's happening in Reliance. Okay, it's trading around there only. Let me quickly go and see today's gainers and losers. So today I can see IndusInd Bank is performing well, whereas SBI also. Bajaj Finserv I have here, good Bajaj Finance, and some steel stocks. Let me go and check losers. Is there any big stock which is, yeah, Infosys is down, right? Fine. TCS. Yesterday I think IT stocks had a good run. Today they are cooling down a bit. Okay. Now let me go back to BankNifty chart. So this is Reliance. Fine. What's happening? Nifty. Okay, trading around 10,800, 790. So still buyers have upper hand, right? Okay. So it's not necessary to check order flow every now and then, otherwise it will make you to cover your trades. Okay, I have to just price action. If there is any drastic changes in price action, then only you have to check the order flow, right? So now I got the information. Yes, buyers are strong enough to hold the price at least the current market price, right? So I don't have intraday history here to show you why I choose 830 as a target. Okay, so data series, if I click it for 150 days, so that's issue. I have data only till 4th of May, right? Fine. And look at these green bars, my dear friend. Those who shorted in this particular day and in this particular day are cleaned now. I'm talking about these people. So they are taken to cleaners. Okay, even Nifty is also trading above 800. Let me quickly go to Nifty candlestick chart. Fine. I have to look at 30 minutes time frame here. That's the main problem. Even I don't have chart history of March month. Okay. And how many of you remember, if you have watched my previous video, I was talking Nifty can go and enter deep inside this particular gap, right? Now it's hitting upper boundary of that particular gap. Now let's see what happens. I'm just cautious on that particular thing, hence I'm not taking the trade for today. Okay. And do remember, my dear friends, every day you cannot take the trade at 9:20, 9:18, 9:15, right? If you ask me yesterday's trade based on OFA, the trade was triggered around that particular time, 1 o'clock, right? If you want to initiate a trade, you have to be in the system, in front of the system, right? So it's just nearing my target of 830, another 50 points here. Okay. So few people, they just try to hammer it, but they are not successful. Okay. And do remember, you should not look at order flow at every now and then and at every each price, only at some resistances and support, and only where your analysis says that's an support or entry, depends on you. For some people, maybe the current market price will look as a resistance, right? For me, yesterday's high was a resistance. There I was checking OFA, right? So if you come and look at this particular price, let's see here, delta is negative, right? So definitely it will ask you to either to cover your positions, or it will ask you to exit the trade, right? So what you will do, you will be cautious, you might get fear of losing money, hence you will cover it early, right? Yeah, look at here, my dear friends. So Bank Nifty has touched 810, right? What I can do, I can just coming inside yesterday's range, whereas it can head till the levels of point of control, yesterday's point of control. If you ask me, I can plan one trade here, that is sell Nifty futures at 765, and stop I can keep 785, and target will be 725.